Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Explain with Ahim. Today we are going to discuss about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? How many types of Bitcoin and how does Bitcoin works? So let's start. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. In this article we will explore the Bitcoin is the different types of Bitcoin and how Bitcoin works. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks or payment processes. It operates a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is public ledger that records all the Bitcoin transactions. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical algorithm to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with newly created Bitcoins for their efforts, which are the circulated market. Types of Bitcoin. The first type is Bitcoin BTC. Bitcoin BTC is the original and most well-known form of Bitcoin. It is the most widely accepted and traded cryptocurrency. Has a current market cap of over $1 trillion. Second type is Bitcoin Cash. BCH. Bitcoin Cash. BCH is a fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2007. It was created to address some of the scalability issues with Bitcoin, allowing for faster and cheaper transactions. The third type is Bitcoin SV. BSV. Bitcoin SV. BSV is another fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2018. It was created to increase the block size limit to accommodate more transaction and improve scalability. The fourth type is Litecoin. Litecoin LTC is a cryptocurrency created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer. It is similar to Bitcoin in many ways, but has different faster transaction time and a high maximum supply. The fifth type is Ethereum ETH. Ethereum ETH is a decentralized platform that allows for the creation of smart contracts and decentralized application dApps. It has its own cryptocurrency called Ether, which is used to pay for transactions on the platform. How does Bitcoin works? Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is a public ledger that record all Bitcoin transactions. Each transaction is verified and added to the blockchain by a network of nodes or computers that participate in the network. When users want to send Bitcoin to another user, they create a transaction and broadcast it to the network. The networks of nodes then validates the transaction and adds it to the blockchain. The transaction is that confirmed and the Bitcoin is transferred from the sender's account to the receiver's account. Meaning is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use specialized hardware and software to solve complex mathematical algorithms which validate transaction and them to the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly created Bitcoins, which are then circulated in the market. Bitcoin is decentralized currency, meaning that is not controlled by any central authority or government. This makes its resistance to government intervention, censorship, and inflation. However, it is also makes it more volatile and subject to price fluctuations. Bitcoin transactions are secure and anonymous, but they are not completely anonymous. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain and can be traced back to the sender and the receiver. To increase anonymity, users can use third-party services such as Mixer or Thrumbles to mix their coins with the other users' coin. Conclude, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank. It operates on a decentralized network called blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. There are different types of Bitcoins, including Bitcoin BTC, Bitcoin Cash BCH, Bitcoin SVBSV, Litecoin LTC, and Ethereum ETH. Which, while Bitcoin offers many benefits, it is also subject to volatility and price. So we will stop our video here. Inshallah, we will discuss remain types of Bitcoin to the next video. Now for Allah.